The night was cold, the kind that seeps through your clothes and makes the world feel heavier. David Miller, a single dad struggling to raise his little daughter, Lily, was closing his small auto repair shop on the edge of town. The bills had piled up, the rent was overdue, and the cupboards at home were almost empty. As he turned off the shop lights, he saw a shadow sitting by the dumpster, trembling, soaked in rain. It was a young girl, no older than 19, wearing torn clothes and clutching a small backpack. David approached cautiously. "Hey, you okay? You shouldn't be out here like this," he said softly. The girl looked up, her eyes filled with fear. "Please. I just need a place to stay for one night. I'll leave by morning," she whispered. Her name was Emily. When David heard her story, his heart sank. She'd been sold by her parents to pay off their debts. She'd run away.